Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get and hatch egg and grow a garden to game app Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically the egg doesn't spawn here on the map. Instead, if you want to get the egg, you can go to this store and then you can purchase the egg from here, but you need Robux. And if you want to get free eggs, I would like to recommend you to join the guild event. You can join your friend's guild team and you're going to keep harvesting your crops and selling your crops. And then there will be reward for every guild team in Grow a Garden. These are the possible rewards. So make sure that you score as high as possible so you will get more valuable rewards. If you're lucky guys, you'll be able to get the rainbow egg, this one. Okay, and after you after you have an egg, if you want to hatch it, just select your egg and then tap anywhere, and you don't need to wait for the hatching time. The egg will be automatically hatched after you open it. So yeah, if you want to get the egg, just join the guild team or you can spend your Robux to purchase an egg in Grow Garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can get and hatch an egg in Grow Garden to game up Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!